Now, the sector, they're off. They're off this stuff right now, right? NEBIUS, still one of my favorite names here versus a CoreWeave, right? So when I recommended NEBIUS months ago in my video that was on YouTube, it was about 40 bucks, 45 bucks, something like that. So even after this pullback, it is still just about a double. And I said it's a better choice over CoreWeave, and CoreWeave was maybe around 113. So it's lost about 40 bucks, and NEBIUS is a double. So I still like it. I think the gap between the two, of course, has narrowed, but I see these great deals. They did a deal with Meta. They did a deal with a massive deal with Microsoft not that long ago, and that was part of how it performed a little better to the upside, gave it a little more punch to the upside. Now the sector, they're off this stuff right now, right? They don't like data center. They don't like power plays. Look at IREN has really come back. I mean, these guys are going to be powering what's going on out there. Some of it might be that there's some talk of these chips that are much more efficient, which I warned a few months ago. I said that's always going to be kind of the sort of issue, throwing a wrench in the sort of builder's basket is going to be, well, what if we always come up with efficiencies, right? So when there's a problem, when we're using too much power, well, you can bet people are working on how to figure that out. So the chips are going to potentially become more efficient. Now, is it an exaggeration to say that that solves the problem? Probably. These companies are all out of capacity, right? There's so much demand from AI inference that it doesn't matter. And so it's quite possible that you're going to just create more demand as prices come down, as efficiencies happen. And that's kind of Jevons paradox a little bit playing out there because the demand is so absolutely massive.